We're having a beautiful morning, and our anchorage will be in sight very soon. Going to be anchoring in Punta Pulpito. It's a pretty interesting looking anchorage with a giant rock. We're on our last tack now. Peter's just about to run the entrance into the anchorage right now, and he's gonna let us know what it looks like in there. Hopefully there's not too many boats. And Reed is behind us pretty good, probably by 9 or 10 miles-ish. Yeah, it's been a great day, great night. Day has not started yet. This giant rock, you can see right behind me. It almost looks like Morro Bay. Sorry I'm so white. Ugh, it's horrible. Marissa's still sleeping, so I'm gonna try to anchor us without waking her up. Because I'm a nice guy.
After a lovely sail from Chivato, we arrived at Punta Pulpito and set our hook alongside the crewless Kessel. Her tender, Java, was gone, which could only mean one thing. Peter probably hit the water as soon as his hook did, likely with a spear gun in hand. Right after we set our hook, my suspicions were confirmed as he zoomed up to us to share his catch. A big old grouper perfect for fish tacos. From Avocet, we spotted Amua sailing in, inspiring the boys to play pirate and race off to board her.
Amua has been boarded.
It's so good. It's so good. Oh my god.
Never been on Amua yet, sailing. This is a first for me.
Together, Reed, Chris, Peter, and Reed's crew Barry brought Amua into the anchorage and laid anchor closest to the rock. A big rock and Amua? What a flashback to Morro Bay. Punta Pulpito is a Pliocene obsidian dome that forms a small peninsula along the Gulf of Mexico. The gigantic 400-plus foot tall Pulpito monolith is visible from over 30 miles away on clear days and provides a stunning backdrop to the anchorage at any time of day or night. In addition to the sea level views, the hike up the rock gives the opportunity for a bird's eye view of the anchorage and the surrounding mountains that tower over the sea, which is how this big ol' rock got its name. It's really a pulpit rock because from the top of this thing you can project your own gospel out onto the sea. As mentioned, it was very reminiscent of California's Morro Rock, but in contrast, we could actually hike this big rock for some stellar views, which is exactly what we did.
Oh, you should totally do that. Right up here.
We stopped at every vista to snap photos of our boats below, each one of the boys pulling out their cameras.
Just finished our hike to the top of Punta Pulpito. It's this giant rock that kind of comes out of nowhere. Mellow hike, honestly. I thought it expected to take a lot longer and be a lot worse, but it was super mellow. Probably took 10-15 minutes. So just got some pretty shots of the boats. They're down here. They're looking nice and pretty. And I'm just gonna catch up to the group now and get back down to the boat and get in the water, I think.
The middle of the anchorage went from deep to shallow, with a protected reef. It did look like prime snorkeling conditions, so we suited up and jumped in to explore. Even in a full-body wetsuit, the Sea of Cortez was still not warm enough to swim in all day, and likely wouldn't be until the summer months. However, that didn't stop Peter. He was armed with a spear gun and ready to provide dinner, so we dinghied out to the Pinnacle Rock and watched him do his thing while we basked in the sunshine aboard Java. That evening, we had fish tacos, freshly speared by Peter that afternoon on his second hunt.
We're making Baja fish tacos with fresh grouper that was shot today by a great spearfisherman.
World class.
And we are very thankful to have in our lives. Can I have a t-shirt? Prime grouper, man. I'll tell you that much. I'm asking you.
I don't know.
How do you think we should cut it?
You're the one.
So where's he, what's his cruising plan?
He's going south, cutting to Panama. It's a video read.
Okay. So I have a few placements that also.
Once full, we wished everyone goodnight as they returned to their vessels. But Peter was pretty quick to return.
If you see that glow, that's the phosphorescence under Peter's dinghy. Oh, it's so cool!
The bioluminescence was the most intense I'd ever seen, so Peter welcomed us aboard Java for a little night ride. We zoomed around the anchorage with a glowing tail of water streaming behind us until my cheeks were sore from smiling and my body was absolutely soaked from the salty spray. That night, I went to bed with a heart overflowing for gratitude to be enjoying so many of Mother Nature's gifts with some of my favorite humans, making memories that I will certainly never forget. We had one more mellow day in Pulpito before our little armada set our course for an anchorage that holds a special place in my heart, Isla Coronados. There, we would add one more boy to our very salty crew. But all of that is next on Sailing Avocet.